My name is Shawn Haley. I'm a driver for Varia Trucking. I enlisted in the United States Marine Corps in 1986, the summer between my junior and senior year in high school. So I ended up stationed at Camp David and also at the White House. And I was full-time security for Ronald Reagan and his wife Nancy, and Herbert Walker Bush and his wife Barbara. All their family members, their kids, their grandkids, a lot of foreign dignitaries. So we basically took care of the safety of all their movements from point A to point B. It was quite exciting. There was a lot to it. The military teaches you discipline. It teaches you responsibility. It teaches you integrity. It teaches you attention to detail. And all those things are a very, very good platform to apply to the trucking industry as a driver. I'm a driver trainer, so I like to pay that forward to the new guys, the new students coming out that need the experience. What would it mean for me to win the award? Wow, I don't even, that's a tough question because, you know, the emotions in the room, even as a top 5 finalist, were just off the charts. But, you know, winning a brand new truck, you know, that is life-changing. That's something that as a truck driver, a lot of those, they aspire to be, is own the truck and go out there and do it, do the job. So I would be honored. I'd be very honored, and I would be very appreciative if I won that award.